Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be a cook breakfast with me video, and I haven't done one of these in so long, and I'm having the most random breakfast ever this morning. I'm just gonna have like a mix and match of everything. I was gonna have a sausage, but I really can't be bothered to wait for that to cook because I am hungry. So I'm going to just do my normal breakfast. But I did buy some, because I was just feeling like, you know, Damascena, when they have olives, I was like, I'm gonna go to Lidl and get some olives and some hummus as well. And I should have got some flatbread as well. I went to Lidl because Damascena souk was closed and I was really sad about that. I don't know why. I normally go at this time on Mondays, so I don't know why it was closed. I'm really cold, so I'm wearing my dressing gown right now. I also picked up some cucumbers, which I'm gonna have as well. Got my orange juice ready, my halloumi, my cheese. Gotta have extra cheese, I just love cheese. And of course, mushrooms, gotta have mushrooms. Let's get my pan out and start cooking these mushrooms quickly. I always get so many questions about this pan, and it came with a set of my saucepans as well. It was from Groupon, and it's like a ceramic kind of non-stick pan, I think. I don't think it is actually that non-stick because I have other pans that don't stick at all. This one sticks a little bit, but I still really like it because it's a good size. It's perfect for my breakfast. So let's get cooking. So I've put the heat on. That's heating up for me now. I am going to use a bit of olive oil, so I'm just going to put like a really light kind of sprinkle on there. Can you see this much? I've got my knife, I've got my chopping board. I don't know why I don't like to chop things on this one because I feel like it will just ruin it. I don't know. I think when things are new, I don't like to use them straight away, so that's gonna just stay nice and clear. I did use it a little bit yesterday, but that's the first time I have, and it didn't actually mark it, so that's a good thing, right? Anyway, let's prepare this breakfast. So this is heating up nicely. My mushrooms are ready to go in because they're already sliced, because I'm lazy like that. I just buy sliced mushrooms. What else am I doing? Let's get the halloumi ready to go. So for my halloumi, I'm just going to chop it into slices. Yeah, just slices. I like to cut my halloumi quite thick so they don't kind of, what's the word, get too crispy. I like a soft middle to my halloumi. Okay, so I think the oil has heated up now. When it kind of goes around the pan really easily, that's when it's heated. I'm going to add quite a few mushrooms because I do love mushrooms. That will do, that will do. Let's not be too greedy, okay? So that's fine. Put that back in the fridge. I've got my bread ready as well. This is a soft white farmhouse loaf from M&S. Yes, I know, fancy, fancy. I'm going to have 2 slices, but look how cute and small they are. So it's not that many calories. Let me tell you how many it is. 2 slices are 147 calories, which is okay. It's okay. They are ready to be toasted. Spatula, going to move these around a bit, coat them in the oil. And then I'm going to put some salt and pepper on top of my mushrooms. I love peppery mushrooms, they're just the best. Okay, so while I'm waiting for those to cook, I'm going to prepare the rest of my plate. Let's move that to the side. I'm actually going to turn it down a bit because when I cook the egg and the halloumi, I like them to cook a little bit slower. I'm going to grab myself some cucumber. I'm going to do just, I think I'll just do 1 cucumber. Let's just not go too crazy because I am going to have a nice dinner today as well. A nice fatty dinner with pasta. Ooh, can't wait for that. I'm just going to cut this into strips. Oh, do you know what I just remembered that I have as well? Is, let me go and grab it. I'm going to put my halloumi on the pan because my mushrooms are looking nice. So halloumi is going in. I have some pickled gherkins. I've never had them before from a tin, so I don't know how they're going to be. I feel like they're going to be soft. I like the crunchy ones. I can't open it. Keep turning these. Yum, 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 yum. I love mushrooms. I think this is a hack for when you can't open a jar. You put one of these under, and then, okay, you don't do that, but you do that. Anyway, so I've got a little gherkin here. Let's chop it up, put it on my plate. This is like Damascena. Always, oh, it's not too soft actually. That's good. Okay, let's just slice that the same way I did with the cucumber. There we go. Got a lovely little pickled gherkin. Is that a cucumber? I don't even know. Okay, let's turn these because I feel like they're burning. Ooh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, that looks a bit weird. Okay, switch places. Turn around. I've got pickle juice all over my hands and it feels gross. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favourite breakfasts to have recently. I just love having halloumi, mushrooms and egg. Like today I'm being a bit extra with other things as well. But usually this is my favourite thing to have. Let's put some hummus on the plate. That's enough. I've just put my toast down and now I'm going to crack my egg into here. I'm not going to put any butter or anything on there. I'm just going to go in with the egg. There we go, perfect. Let's try not to like touch anything else. Perfect. Okay, let's turn these halloumis again. Oh my god, it's dark. Let's get some olives on the plate. I feel like this needs to go here, like that. What else do I need? We can take the halloumi off, I think, because that is looking beautiful, gorgeous, lovely. Mushrooms can come off as well. Oh no, my egg's running, my egg's running. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on top of this egg now. And then I'm going to flip it so that it cooks the other side. Oh my god, this is a huge breakfast. I'm hungry, so it's okay. Okay, I don't want the egg to break, so I don't know what I'm going to do now. Okay, I'm just going to try and put it onto the plate. I'm really bad at this. Even though I do it so much, I'm so bad at not breaking the egg. Oh, okay. There we go. Perfect. Right, so sink. We need some cheese on top of the egg because I can't have an egg without cheese on top. I don't know why. It's just something that happens. So a little bit of cheese. Don't need too much. I'm gonna pour myself some orange juice while I'm waiting. I've got an innocent one here because it was on offer in Sainsbury's. Oh, I love orange juice with egg. Just got the butter ready for my toast. The toast popped up, but it's not cooked enough, so I'm just going to let it cook a little bit more. Okay, I can't wait any longer, so this will have to do. And my breakfast is done, guys. Oh my god, I cannot wait to eat this right now. This is what it looks like. Look at this. Does that not look delicious? So I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. Tell me in the comments below what your favourite breakfast is to have, because mine is something like this, anything like this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah.